Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So guys, it's Alika here. Guys, so this is video I make for English SQL. Make video about review video review. Alika need review some application for developer. So guys, I'm going to review one of the most popular code editor for developer all around the world. You know what is Visual Studio Code, or or simple is FC Code. If you are learning programming, working on project, or your build final excitement like me, Visual Studio Code can really your best friend. So in this video I will share a full review, the feature or my favorite extension, pros and cons, and also my personal experience using it every day. Alright, let's get started. Okay. So the first, what exactly is Visual Studio Code? Visual Studio Code is a free, lightweight and powerful code editor built by Microsoft. It supports tons of programming language. Visual Studio Code have language pack is HTML, PHP, JavaScript, Flutter, Dart, and many more. It's one of the editor that's super flexible for beginner or professional. One of the reason I love Visual Studio Code is it clean, okay, and simple user interface. You have got the Explorer on the left or the side to manage file, the editor area in the center, a built-in terminal in the bottom, and the command palette, which is like the shortcut to everything. And what I love most, you can customize the theme. I personally switch between on Dark Pro and Dracula for darker and softer look at my ass easy look. Okay, so important feature I love, one IntelliSense for smart autocomplete. Yeah, this is a programming beginner that makes coding much faster and more accurate. And the second, built-in terminal. You don't need to open CMD or command prompt or another terminal, but your built-in terminal, everything is inside Visual Studio Code. Third, Git integration. You can commit, push, or pull your project directly from the editor. Super helpful when I'm working on Laravel or Flutter or Python project. Next, debugging tools. Visual Studio Code support with just a click run, or shortcut is F5. Maybe forget. Just a click, especially for JavaScript or backend framework. And last, live server for web development. Instantly refresh your project in browser whenever you save your project, save your file. So this refresh in browser. Alright, there are the extension I use the most, and I recommended them for beginners too. And the first one is Prettier for code format. Code is clean and not messy, maybe, and code your clean and is look enjoy gitu. And the second one is Lean for I'm forget Lean for what, but Lean was use your project, but yeah. Okay. Third extension is Material Icon Temp. This one I can show you. For example, is Icon Temp. This I'm open the project, is my final project. A second final icon tema is this. You can see this in this. Okay, this is file this. You see can this icon tema this. So your now icon file this. Okay. Yang ke for auto rename tag. Auto rename tag is auto complete. If you programmer or beginner forget complete tag, this extension easier for beginner. Okay, and the last one is Flutter and Dart. So Visual Studio Code language pack is Flutter or Dart or PHP or JavaScript or framework and many more. Okay, so here's my personal experience. I use Visual Studio Code every day for my project, especially my final project where I work with Laravel for backend API or backend, and Flutter for the mobile app. Even though even though my laptop isn't the strong, Visual Studio Code still run pretty smoothly. The key is not is just is key is just not installing too many extension because at once because smoothly bug or full memory, not you're not installing too many extension. Yeah, all right. Okay, I can spell pros and cons. First, pros is free guys. Extension Visual Studio Code free and lightweight, high customizable, support many program language. For example is PHP, JavaScript, Dart, and the last one is tons of extension. Okay, second one is cons. Too many extension can slow it down. Yeah, some features require additional setup. Sometimes needs a restart after installing new extension. Yeah, you need restart after installing extension. Okay guys, and the wraps up my review of Visual Studio Code. Personally, I think this is the best editor for beginner, student, and developer working on real project like a final project or internship. If you want to make a video about setting up Visual Studio Code, choosing the best extension, or using it with Laravel or Flutter, just drop and comment. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helped me keep creating more tech content. So guys, see you next time. This is my video review English about code editor Visual Studio Code application often for programmer for built-in website or mobile. So guys, don't forget to eat, drink, sleep. Okay, keep well always. Okay, so see you next time for one more video review about what I was think again. Okay, see you next time for my video, and thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.